What's up, fellas? This is just a quick video for Joe, who's just purchased one of my Steam machetes. I'm going to be doing a quick demonstration of how to adjust the pressure on this thing and a quick little demo. This right here is the flow valve. So what we want to do is start off by getting just a small amount of water coming out of the system with that little valve. That is the bypass valve right there. So when we turn the unit on, the more we close this valve right here, the more pressure we get in the subsystem. So I'm going to set it to about 250 there, 300 psi. And then we want to maintain the same amount of water coming out of the front of the gun there. A little bit less than that. That's a little bit too much water, actually. So we set it to about right there. About 250 psi. And then once we get the water set, then we start lighting the torch. Now when you light the torch, you never hold it downwards. Always hold it up like this. This torch definitely takes a little practice to get used to, and it's far more ferocious than you might think in the beginning. It gets so loud sometimes that you think you're on high, but in reality it has a whole other level of operation it can get to. So this thing can go up to 37 kilowatts. That's quite a bit of power. That's about 40 horsepower. So pretty impressive little deal. So I'm just going to show you how I sit there and just adjust the water, the air, and the fuel. You have three things you need to adjust on the gun to get the optimum spray. You can see there it's strong enough that it's peeling away paint, some old paint. I'm going to strip a sticker off with it real quick just to show you guys that it can strip stickers and things like that off. I don't have anything else to clean really. I was going to take this engine apart and do some cleaning on it, but I don't have time. I got to get this mailed off right away. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's at a pretty good operating range. I don't have anything decent to clean right now, but this is definitely going to get you down the road. You can hook this up to hot water, but you need to make sure your cooling pump isn't overheating on you, or your water pump. You want to make sure you pay attention to that if you use hot water. But this thing definitely has a lot of power. It's probably not on the highest setting. As I said, I'm in a big hurry to get this shipped off to you and put in a box, but it definitely does the job. You can see here just a quick run through. You got to be careful with old paint. You can see that it does strip paint if you're not careful. It has some pretty serious stripping power. This thing's been sitting outside forever. This is an old planned obsolescence project I had going on. Wanted to see how long I could keep this mower running. $100 motor, I got like, or $100 mower, I got like 8 years of life out of it. But here's a little before clip. I kind of lost some footage there, sorry about that. And then there's the after. So there you have it, Joe. If you have any problems, let me know.